In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into an Unbounce page. If you want to place an interactive form directly on your landing page, this is a simple and effective way to do it. We'll be taking the embed code from Typeform and adding it into Unbounce using a custom HTML element. This lets your form appear right on the page, so visitors can engage with it without needing to open a separate link. To begin, open Typeform and go to the Share tab for the form you want to use. Inside that section, select the Embed option. This is where Typeform gives you the code snippet needed to display the form on another website or landing page. Once you see that code, copy the entire snippet carefully. Make sure you copy all of it, because even a small missing section can prevent the form from loading properly later. After that, switch over to Unbounce and open the page where you want the Typeform to appear. Make sure you're inside the Unbounce page builder, since this is where you'll place and configure the embedded form. Take a moment to think about where the form should sit on the page. For example, you may want it near a call to action, in the middle of the page content, or in a dedicated section where it has enough space to display clearly. Next, drag a custom HTML element onto the page canvas. This element is what allows you to insert third-party code, such as the Typeform embed snippet. Once you place it on the page, open the script or HTML window associated with that element, then paste in the Typeform code you copied earlier. Before closing the window, it's a good idea to quickly review the pasted code and confirm it was inserted completely. If everything looks correct, save your changes. From there, publish the page so the update goes live. Once the page is published, test it on the live version to make sure the Typeform displays and functions as expected. Check that it loads fully, fits properly within the page layout, and works smoothly on both desktop and mobile views. If the form appears too cramped, you may need to adjust the placement or size of the custom HTML element inside Unbounce so the embed has enough room. And that's it. By copying the embed code from Typeform, placing a custom HTML element in Unbounce, and publishing the page, you can seamlessly add your form directly into your landing page experience.